Is your car suddenly acting like it has developed a massive thirst for fuel, while simultaneously losing all of its get up and go? You might be dealing with a P2241 code, which points directly to a low voltage issue in the positive current control circuit of your upstream oxygen sensor on bank 2. This is not just a minor hiccup because this sensor is the main eyes and ears for your powertrain control module when it comes to balancing the air and fuel mixture. Inside that sensor, there is a piece of zirconium dioxide and some platinum electrodes that react to the oxygen in your exhaust, creating a tiny voltage signal that tells the computer if you are running too rich or too lean. When this circuit goes low, the computer loses its ability to tune the engine properly, which can lead to misfires and a serious drop in your miles per gallon. You will usually find bank 2 on the side of the engine that does not have cylinder number 1. Since this sensor is preheated with 12 volts to get it working faster when the engine is cold. A fault here often means the sensor itself has failed, or the wiring has been burnt by the incredibly hot exhaust pipes. You should start your diagnosis by visually checking the harness for any chafed or melted wires that might be touching the manifold. Then, use your digital volt-ohmmeter to check for resistance between the positive control circuit and ground. If you find continuity where there should not be any, that heated oxygen sensor is likely shorted internally and needs to be replaced. If the wiring looks pristine, you can watch the live data on your scanner to see if the voltage is cycling smoothly between 100 and 900 millivolts like it should during a normal drive. If it stays stuck or shows battery voltage on the scanner data stream, it is definitely time for a new sensor. It is a messy job, but catching it early saves your catalytic converter from expensive damage. Should I help you locate exactly where bank 2 sensor 1 is positioned on your specific engine layout?